sorting process on list objects. List objects. We have tree set to sort elements in set objects. We have tree map. We have tree map to sort elements in map objects. Map objects. Elements in queue. We must not perform sorting process on queue objects. Queue objects, because we must not perform sorting process on queue objects. We must not perform sorting process on queue objects because elements are organized based on algorithm, first in, first FIRST, first out. This is a summary generally. Right. Example program. Sorting process on array objects. Array objects. See there. Right, under collection, I'll take. sorting app. So test. Array sort. I'm taking one class. Put java.util. I'll take one array, integer a equal to new integer of some file. This is integer array. A of I, a of 0 actually. I must add like this only, no? Manual I'm adding. New integer of 12. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm adding by indexes. 4 indexes. I'll keep 11. I'll keep 10. I'll keep 7. I'll keep 8. They are not in order. Now, system.out.println here. Before sorting. Before sorting. Before sorting, for here integer some k colon a extended for system dot out dot print some k dot to string and space. This is normal display before sorting. Before sorting. This is normal display. I want sorting. Sorting means simply arrays dot sort of A. This is sorting process. So after sorting process, after sorting process, it arranges in ascending order automatically. This is ascending order. If you want a descending order, display in reverse form. Display in reverse form. So system.out.println. Sir, I want descending order. I want it. Descending order. If you want it, you must use old for loop. You must use here. Int I is equal to a dot length minus 1. I greater than or equal to 0. I minus minus. Now system dot out dot print a of I dot to string and space. Descending order is coming or not now, right? Now, I'll take one class here. In test, I'll take one class. Product, I'll take. In this product class, I'll take public into code. I'm taking integer, code as integer, public string name. I'm taking name. This two I'm taking. I'll use one public product into code string name. This dot code is equal to code. This dot name is equal to name. Here we use public string to string return code plus name. This is override. Override of. Here already extends from object. So I'm doing on user-defined class objects. I'm doing. Here I'm going with the user-defined class objects. System dot out dot println. This is for product objects. I am working on product objects. Here I am taking one array. Product P equal to new product of 4 or 5. I will take 5 products. This is array. So import. Now add the products. P of 0. I'm not reading from the keyboard. You read from the keyboard. New product 121 mouse. This is one is integer and one is string. I am taking 5 products. I'm taking 5 products. One 20 and 119, 122. So 101 roughly. They are not in order. Now I'll display this normally. System dot out dot println before sorting. Before sorting. For of product K and P. Now system dot out dot print K dot to string. Now the products will come. Almost only. some roughly. So they are coming anyway. They are not in the order. So they are coming. Display is coming. User defined. First one is normal integer objects. Now product objects. Now I want to sort it. We had a method arrays dot sort of P. This is sorting process. This one. Here, after sorting process, I am printing. After sorting. After sorting, see there, error will come. Why error will come means rule is same. When we want to sort on user defined class objects, the user defined class objects must be implemented from comparable. That is the rule. The rule I written in the set, no, same. The rule is valid for set. The rule is valid for array. The rule is valid for list. That's a common rule. So what you have to do now, when we want to do sorting, it should be implements from comparable. You have to do. And must be declared with, one method int compare to of object O. This is sort specification logic. Now convert product some P is equal to product O. Now here I'm based on code now. Here code equal to P dot code. You know, no, coming should be compared with existing. Same logic. So return 0 else if code. This is integer, no, I am using equal to directly. If it is a string, I'll use string s1 dot compare to, I'll use it. So code greater than P dot code. RETURN return 1 else return -1. If you can add this specification logic, then it will be sorted. Sorting came or not? Now it will be sorted. When you add that specification logic, only sorting will come. User defined class objects will be sorted. Normal object sorting, but this is you have to implement from. That is a rule actually. It is implements from comparable. It is one. This is overriding method at the rate of override. Here logic. If codes are equal, 0. If coming code is greater than existing code, 1. If algorithm, if the comparative method returns 0 or 1, don't swap it. If it is -1, change it. That's the information I given in the tree set to you. The same thing you have to apply. Now, answer this. Sir, I want to print in descending order here. I want to print in descending order. So system dot out dot print ln descending order. I want to print it. I want to print in descending order. So printing descending order is nothing but displaying from back like this for here. Int I is equal to P dot length -1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus. Imaginating the index value and system dot out dot print ln. Now this is P of P of I dot to string. Now descending order will come. Can I say descending order? As if like a normal array only, displaying reversely. So using that sort predefined method, we can perform sorting on array objects. That's the information to you. The information. So arrays dot sort. You can print after sorting ascending order. This is descending order. It is a user defined class that should be implemented from comparable. That's a theory. Okay, right? Array replace with list. Whatever you do on array, same thing you can do on list. Same difference will not be there. Same you can do. Here array start sort. Their collection start sort will be there. Here array start sort. Their collection start sort. See there. This program here product dot Java array sort dot Java. This is one main class. You convert this program into user defined data. Means read from the keyboards. This is the sorting. Right. Now, sorting process on list objects. Example 2. Example program 2. Sorting process on list objects. 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 Okay, right. 3D. Now, the same will be there. You can take any list, array list, linked list, vector. All are insertion order only. No difference in the output. Only difference in the memory allocations. Array list sequence, locks not available. Linked list non-sequence, locks not available. Vector sequence, locks are available. Means synchronized, non-synchronized, and so on. Now I am taking list sort. I am taking. I forget it, public starting. Right. Here import java.util. You can take anything. Array list or linked list or vector, no difference. We take array list. Array list is an exact replacement of array. Generally, integer I'm working. Or OB1 equal to new array list. So advantage is no need to add by index value. You can add by one method. What is that method now? Add OB1 dot add of new integer of some 12 roughly. That is advantage. This is advantage here. Anyway, you can add by no need to write index value. You can add by roughly. You can display system dot out dot println before sorting. Before sorting. Before sorting. Two-string method directly because they are not in the object form. Sorry, they are not in the two-value form. No. System dot out dot println. You can write a ob1 dot two string. You can write. This is answer will come. This is normal. So we had a method for sorting. Here. Collections dot sort. That is a ob1. This is sorting process. Now, once the sorting process completed, now here, this is after sorting. Directly sorting is over. Sorting over now, directly. I want to display reverse descending order, actually. Okay, right. Right. If I want to display in reverse, this also index value is there? No. Yes or no? No. Right. System dot out dot print and then descending order. Display manual for int I is equal to, I want the last index. ob1 dot size method is there? No. -1. Size -1. I greater than or equal to 0. I minus. I'm coming from the last index. Now, from the last index, I want to get the data. I have to get the data by the index. You had a method, get by index. Do you remember? Right. You had a method known as get by index. You can display the element by get by index. ob1 dot get by index I. You get the answer. By index, because they given this method to you. Can you see? 12, 11, 10, 8, 7. Because I given this method to you. Logic is nothing but logic means not presenting the program what I given. I given programs. No? If you don't type also no problem. From there, few things you have to catch it. When the situation comes, you must remember them and apply. That only logic. Sir, I by-hearted 20 programs, sir. That is not logical. What you used, when the situation comes, you must apply. A difference, I executed one get method. Now idea should come today. Now when you're doing idea, sir, what I used, when the situation comes, I cannot use it means logic is gone. Logic is not a logic is about remembering the subject and applying when the situation comes. That only logic. For that, reading needed, remembering needed, practice needed, because we say practice. But all will think practice means by adding program. Many people. Whenever you say practice means they'll by add our programs. Your practice is not by adding our program. What you learned from our program, you have to apply somewhere. You have to remember that application, that only concept here. So that point you have to catch it. So few people will not practice, but they'll write the codes. Means somewhere their minds are applicative mindsets. Somewhere they converted themselves to applicative. Sir, I cannot sit more time and read it, sir. But for idea is there, I'll apply it, sir. Market needs applicative, not grasping and presenting manner. Applicative. Applicative means when the situation comes, I'll remember that and apply. Even myself also, when I'm writing, if I don't remember, I cannot write. If I don't remember, I cannot write. Remember means what? Now one get method is there, I should remember. That options, I look into options. In list, what are the options? I look. That options methods I written, no? That methods are the options. Why I'm writing methods? No need to write the methods actually. Already they are in the library, no? Then why I'm writing? When you read it, list has how many options? Set has how many options? Queue has how many options? Map has how many options? That options you have to remember it. Get is one option to get the data by the index. So it is coming. Now let us apply on products. System dot out dot println here. Product objects. Product objects. Same that product only I'm doing. Array list product OB2 is equal to new array list product holding product objects. Import java dot test dot product. Add the product OB2 dot add of new product of 121 again mouse. This one. I can add 5 products. Same 120. I'll take some. Now, whenever the two values are there, you must use iterative statement here. So easiest iterative statement is system dot out dot println before sorting. Before sorting. Before sorting. Easiest one is OB2 dot for each. This is the easiest one we had. Syntax is very simple, no typecast. So system dot out dot println k dot toString. So they are displayed. So without any order, they are displayed. Okay, right. Without any order, they are displayed. Now I want ascending order. Of course, directly collections dot sort. That is P, not P, OB2. This is sorting process. So after sorting, I'm printing after sorting. After sorting, the answer will come based on code 101, 100. Because I same logic I took it, no, right? Suppose in this product, if I disconnected comparable, if I disconnect comparable, if I disconnect this, I disconnected comparable, I disconnected comparable. I disconnected comparable. Whenever I disconnect comparable now, see there. The method sort of type not available arguments is not applicable. It's not accepting or not now. First it is not accepting first. So if I want to do sorting process, the comparable should be linked. That's a concept. So if we link to comparable only, it will come. If we link to comparable, then only it is accepted. Then the error gone. You can see this. So I want to display in descending order, manual. When you are not understanding anything, what you will do? Not understanding means not understanding, sir. Take one paper and draw. But only. Many people will not do only actually. Not many people, maximum all people. When not understanding, that's all. When it is not understanding, up to where you are understanding, at least one line you will understand, no? Up to there you must draw. The layout, what you learned from me, you have to draw. Then you can catch it. Suppose I am writing one loop directly now, descending order. Some people may catch, some people may not catch. I know. I'm not catching something, put on a paper, index value will be there. That's a technique. Their index value will be there. Index value last I'm pointing, descending order. Whenever I want to take a last index, size will be there for us. List. Open the array list. List. The first method size only. Size of array -1 index. Size length always not index, no length -1. In string, here size -1. That one I'm taking. Descending order. You must learn manual and everybody. If you have a patience, you must take one paper and practice that. Of course, that practice gone, I think, actually. Nowadays, trend different, no? That all smart trend is going on, swiping and checking. But today's market is very bad. You are seeing the news. I was seeing the news, racism is going on. Still, of course, India not affected, but I don't know. In 2004, that only no. 2001, 2002, 2004, 2 times came. In 2004, I must not say that word, 30% of software engineers are suicided because of non-proper financial calculation. They'll have a car EMI, house EMI, land EMI. On the day amount, they poured amount. Now, when it software engineering, one drawback will be there. Very peak will be there. Suddenly it becomes 0. That's very important. Suddenly, if you fired out, no 0, it becomes. Next month, credit card bill, debit card bill, house rent, it will be there. So when knowledge is there, you can survive. If knowledge is there, survival will be there. If knowledge is there, again you will stand on the road again. Again, you have to fight with a number of people. So for this, knowledge will play a crucial role to you. Very, 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 very crucial role. Today's engineers' drawback is, after Corona, drawback is, today's engineers habituated to smartness. That manual is going on. When manual going on, mind sharpness will be decreased. Logic needs mind sharpness. That only biggest threat. Biggest threat for software engineering, they stopped thinking. When you stop thinking, software engineer will die actually, developer especially. Developer has to think it daily. Developer has to produce a new code. For that, manual is needed. When you take a paper and write only, mind control will be practiced. That is very important. Now already research is also saying already. Even school students also ruined. At least school students will calculate, right? Mathematics, they'll calculate. If you give one formula, they will not see the mobile phone. You will see the mobile phone. When I say one mathematics, you'll open mobile phone and you'll Google search it. Because that content available somewhere. If you ask one math student of one school age, he will take paper and he'll try something. You observe them. You ask any math question for them, you ask them, you call anybody, please explain to me. He'll take one paper and pen from the bag there and he try something. But he never opened the mobile phone now. But our trend is different. So what happens here now? My brain is not working, sir. I am searching. If it is not available, I'll say not available. That's all. I will not find. Difference are getting what I'm speaking, right? Here also, small things if you are not understanding, small things you want to learn it, put on a paper. Then only you can sharpen it. That's very important. Already hope I tried my best to create imaginations. That imaginations are layouts. Here also say, whenever I want to take a descending order, whatever the object, that may be integer object, or string object, or user defined object, we are not bothered. One address will be there. That object can be anywhere, one address will be binded, only diagrammatic. Now I must point to the last one. Whenever I want to point to the last one, list has index. Set do not have index. Of course, queue running on algorithm. List perfectly it has index. Whatever you do on array, you can do on array list. Not only array list, you can do on list. So see there, directly you can write int I is equal to ob2 dot size minus 1 you can write. I greater than or equal to 0. I minus pointing to last. So system dot out dot print ln. So that is one array only, no sir. Array means ob2, right? You have to get by the index value or not now. ob2 dot, where is this? ob2 dot get by index. ob2 dot get by index. Index coming or not now? 121, 120 coming. Descending order. Directly we are retrieving by the index value and coming. All of you understood this? Array list, same. You must know one method available from arrays, one method available from collections. Here one is same. Look here. Now I am taking this duplicate. This is duplicate. I am running. Duplicate 2 times. 107. Here you can see 101, 101, 107, 107, 119. Side by side will come. So whenever you want to remove duplicate, map is there. Right? Map. So map speaks about primary key. Actually, we hold data in the form of primary key. Normal elements we hold in the form of collection. I said that statement to you. Normal data we use it to collection. Wherever you want to organize based on primary key, we go with this. No, sir, I want to remove duplicate means set is there. You can dump the data to set. Set removes duplicate. That's a technique. It is accepted, they'll come in order. Now, this is annotation I added. Okay. Giving information to you when we want to do a sort. Generally, manual sort not available. Last time revealing that point. Java developer, he never do sort. Why, sir? Oracle trainer is being no ordered by. Yes or no? Na? Then what you'll do then? He only filtering and giving no. Yes or no? Na? He only orders and give it no. We never do. But option is available from your language. All of you understood this statement, what I'm speaking in real time. One button will be there. I want to see all employees based on ages greater than 30 in organization. You click it. That same question will be taken by the servlet. The servlet will pass the query to the DAO. DAO will pass the query to the SQL. SQL write query and retrieve it. All records will come out and show to you. You never write. Understood this point now? No, sir. I only take all 500 records. I'll keep it. I'll sort it. From there, 20 records. You're wasting time in bringing 500 records here. So they are not preferable. Difference we're getting now, right? Because we given a least priority for sort, the lending. But student phobia, data structure, no, sir. Sort, no, searching, they'll ask. For their satisfaction, we write it. But in applicative, we do by Oracle trainer is there, no, SQL is there, PLSQL is there. They had many more options are there for them. You can run it and you can filter it to DAO. But even then, for interview purpose, these are the options. Okay. Now I had, this is example I'm taking now. This is example. Here also, where is this product? Same name, product I'm taking. Here, list sort dot Java. This is one main class. Now look here. This all okay, sir. There is one method available to you. What are the notes I written? I'm opening back. Methods I'm concluding. Okay, right. If I go to one list, suppose list is there. Sir, in the list, one method is there, sir. Where is the list? Map, this is list, DQ, Q. Under list, we had one method known as sort. Can I see one method? Right. Sir, one method came. This method is Java 8 method. This method is what method now? Java 8 method is there. Got this point now? 8. Here one comparator is there. Can you see comparator? Right. Okay. Now make it. First you have to write what is the difference between comparator and comparable. Before that, let me write on the comparator. Make it. Define comparator. Java P, Java dot util dot comparator. I'm looking for spelling. Comparator. Can you see? Right. Comparator. Make it. Comparator is an interface from Java dot util package. Comparator is an interface from java.util package, and which is also used to perform sorting process on list objects. List objects. Comparator is an interface from java.util package, and which is also used to perform sorting process on list objects. Right. Sort method from list. Sort method from list. Sort method from list, which is introduced by Java 8 version. Sort method from list and sort method from list, which is introduced by Java 8 version. Java 8 version used to perform sorting process using comparator. Method signature of sort. Method signature of sort. Right. This is sort. Comparator is the parameter, no? Right. Now look here. I am taking. So no need to write like this. This is comparable. This is comparable concept. Now I'm using comparator. Suppose I had one class, book details. So public string. I'll take one int, one string I'll take. Code end. So public string name. So public book details into code and string name. This dot code is equal to code. This dot name is equal to name. Public string to string I'm taking. Return TURN. Return code and name. Now, this don't touch this class. It will be like this only. You must not do anything. Now, I'll take two more classes. One is sorting based on code. One is sorting based on name. Two classes I'll take. Right? Sort by code. Sort by name. I will take it. I'll take two classes. Sort by code. I will take it. Sort by code. I'll take one class as sort by name. Sort by name. I'll take it. Sort by code, sort by name. What is the rules here means? This comparator method, this comparator will have one method here. Can you see? Can you see one compare method? Right. You have to take this compare method. You have to take this compare method. See there. This one implements from comparator. Implements from comparator. Here you must write int compare of. Here two parameters t comma t. Wherever t is there, you must write object ob1, object ob2. You have to write it. This is coming object. This is existing object, like comparison. Here same rules. Means you have to convert that into sort by code. Sorry, you have to convert into book. That book code is then a book details. Book details. Some BD1. B1 I'll take. Book details. OB1 I'm converting. Now book details B2 is equal to book details. That is OB2. Here if B1 dot code equal to B2 dot code, return 0. Else if B1 dot code greater than B2 dot code, return 1. Else RETURN, return -1, like this. Import Java dot, and this is override. This is. So now this compare method is taking two objects. One is coming object, one is existing object. Two addresses will be taken and it returns the value and set it. That's the meaning actually. Now sort by name here. Implements comparator import java.util. Here, logic different. It is a name, no? So name means int sum z is equal to b1 dot name dot compare to of b2 dot name, because through compare to method it will come, right? Okay. If that z equal to 0, return 0. Else, if the z value greater than 0, return 1. Else, return, return -1. For string comparison, we use compare to. So these are the two things available. The point. So OB1, B1, B2. Okay. 10 minutes is there, no problem. Right. List sort 2, I will take it. Import test dot book details. Import java.util. First array list. Array list book details. AL is equal to new array list book details. Now AL dot add of new book details A121. Core Java is the name. A120 advanced Java. A101 C language. One nine some Python. System dot out dot println before sorting. Before sorting. Before sorting. AL dot for each of K. Now system dot out dot print ln K dot to string. So this is before sorting. Before sorting, the answer is coming. So here system dot out dot print ln sort by code. Sort by code. Whenever you want to sort by code now, AL dot sort method will come. Sort method, new sort by code. I am passing parameter. So sort by code. You have to import them now, classes dot start. Sort by code. Now, after sorting by code, there's a new method introduced to you. Here, sort by name. This is sort by name. Here you had new sort by name. Now, annotation unchecked will be there. Now run it. This is sorted by code 101, 119, 120, sorted by names, Advanced Java, Core Java, Python. Can you see this? Right. It's a new pattern introduced by Java 8. So there's a sort method. I'll explain this tomorrow. I'm giving a code to you. So new thing nowadays, up to now you're doing only single, no, only code you're taking. So you can take your options. You want to sort by coda, nema, priza, quantity na option is there. You must take more subclasses and give the option. Which one you want it, you can run it. Okay, right. I'll add the nodes today. I'm forgetting. From IO streams onwards, I'll add total nodes. Okay, right. Now, so run this program tomorrow. I'll explain. No problem. Course is extending. No problem. Because time is there, I'm coming, and what I'm not given in other batches also I'm giving. In other batches, I not written this much of things I not written. For me, time is there, I'm writing. So management not given batch by 7 o'clock, they rested me. So next week also I'm in rest only. Right? So tomorrow I'll do all the methods I'll do. Tomorrow collections totally methods. Then I'll do IO streams and file conclusion I'll do. That's a plan. Okay, right. So if not Saturday, if not Monday, I'll conclude it. Okay, no problem. Scolding or what? For me, pressure not there because I'm coming by 7:30. Frankly speaking, pressure is there. I'll run and come by 7 o'clock. Right? Understood? Right? Okay. Because I'm relaxedly writing. Right. Thank you very much. Yesterday's notes today updated to you, and now notes I'll update it.